with the North Winds Channel. And I'm here with my assistant,
Austin Knott.
It is very windy here in O'Fallon. We see that the skies and the clouds have gone because of how windy it is today. Yes, very. But we have been looking around. People have been floating everywhere. You can see the wind is so strong. He's pulling them in. Come on, come on. We gotta get closer on them. Sir, what's going on? What's with the north wind?
The wind is blowing me away.
Really? What's going on? How did this north wind come?
I don't know.
Quiet!